The President Muhammad Buhari-led administration has identified agriculture as one of the priority sectors for development and diversification of the economy. Putting this strategy into action, the federal government has endorsed a roadmap in agriculture with objectives which include to raise agriculture's share of gross domestic product to 23%, increase share of labor force to 70%. However, stakeholders see possible hitches to realizing this goal, one of which is funding.
The Bank of Agriculture today is not as resourceful as before. If we get more resources, we have lined up quite a number of areas. We, in general, would like to support farmers across the value chain, not only at the level of primary production.
Another area which demands the federal government's attention is processing of the agricultural produce, which falls in the purview of manufacturers. In a meeting with the Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, the captains of industry paint a picture of their plight in doing their work.
Is there anything that could be done to help alleviate the problem manufacturers are having currently in transporting their goods across Nigeria?
Lack of demand. Most of us work at around 20%. 25% have never worked more than that capacity.
These issues have already been thought of by the minister.
So I hear the point about why don't we aggregate everything we're doing so there's an umbrella local content legislation, or maybe not even legislation, enablement so that it can happen. We as a ministry will do our part. Given where we are now, and given if you funded the budget to the tune of the borrowings that were planned for, there's also the revenue generation challenge because of the state of the economy. And therefore, we are committed to doing everything possible because it's a win-win situation. If the economy is expanded or meant to work better, people pay more, they pay their taxes, more revenues are generated, and everybody is happy.
The manufacturers have also been challenged to initiate and propose solutions which will require collaboration between the public and private sectors and ultimately ease the process of doing business in Nigeria. Ini Thompson reporting for Channels Television News.